Okay, welcome back. It is day 153, I believe, of coding every day. Um, so I did not record anything today, so I'm just gonna do a leak code, easy, because it's already 11:10. Honestly, didn't really do anything today. Today, beginning of the week was just a lot of working towards computer architecture, and then today I just did a little linear algebra, and that was it. So need to pick that up starting tomorrow, because finals is after next week, and I need to be prepared for these two finals. Um, so yeah. Um, Other than that, nothing really else to update on. Um, I should probably start applying for fall internships to see if I can get anything there, but haven't. So yeah. So it muted me because I did a control Z. I said let's get into some leak code. Kind of think I want to do some more binary tree stuff. That stuff's always kind of fun to do. It used to be my most hated, but also, why is LeetCode so slow with filter selection? Topics, depth first search. Same tree, balanced tree. Some of the left leaves. That one looks fun. Okay, you're given the root of a binary tree. Return the sum of all left leaves. A leaf is a no though, children. Yeah, a left leaf is okay. So return the sum of all left leaves. Okay. So if there's a node and its left value is a leaf, then we just want to add that to a running sum. So what I could do, well, first off, I'll start off with my depth first search. Obviously, I want the node and a total, right? I think that's it. And so I want to say if not node, then we want to return our total. Now, for checking the actual value, we need to check if it is a leaf node, right? So a leaf node is going to be, um, well, what I can say what if node dot left, right? Then if not node dot left and, or no, it's just, this is just and not node dot left dot right, right? So that would be a leaf node. And the total plus equals node dot left dot val, right? And then I want to recall it recursively of saying that total is going to be equal to the call of DFS with a node dot left and just total. Total is equal to DFS with a node dot right and total. Right? And then call DFS with a root and 0. Is that right? Total plus node dot left dot val. Uh, Wait, maybe it's just maybe it's not this, right? I don't know why I'd be doing this. Total and then just dot val, right? So if not node dot left and dot right, making it a leaf node. But wouldn't this be for every leaf node? Like I need something to say that it is left, right? So how would I? Because this would just add up every single leaf node, right? Like if I run this right now, this should on this first one just add up all of the leaf nodes. What don't you like here? What? Not valid? What? How is that not valid? Okay. An integer of the value? Oh, it's none type. Sorry, I'm sorry. I wasn't looking at that error correctly. If not node dot left and not node dot right. I don't see how plus equal for none type and int. I don't. What? Why would if not node? So obviously node is a thing. So if not node dot left. TFS with root and 0. Okay. I'm so confused. It's gonna be something so obvious. It has to just be like a check, but oh. So what? Name total is not defined. Okay. Return, yeah. If node dot left and wait. So if the current thing has a This is what I had before. This is what I had before. Really, this is so if I say if no dot left, which this would fix this problem of making sure it's the left node, but and not this and not that. Total plus equals no dot left dot val. I think this is all they changed, right? Oh, that's the total it said that it couldn't recognize. Zero. Oh yeah. Sorry. If no dot left and no dot left dot right. There we go. Beautiful. Yeah. So the reason I was so if all these like finish, right? Then it returns. No, it's just at the end we return total. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Is there I doubt there's like much more you can do without just being stupid. If not, no left, not really, and is left. Return. What is the is left? Oh, just when you go left, you set to true. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Um, that's all I have for today. Um, don't really know what I'm gonna be doing for coding projects here on out. I finished my 230 project the other day, so I don't have another one for 2 weeks that's due. And then computer architecture is pretty much done. There's some stuff that like I could get like a few videos of content out, but maybe, just maybe, I um start a personal project. I don't know what that'd be. But maybe we'll brainstorm that tomorrow and I'll tell you what I brainstormed because it'll still just be a 5 minute video probably. So, okay. I'll see you tomorrow for day 154, I believe. Yeah. Take care. Bye.